Hello, today we share some hepatic remedies, continuing video of hepatic series. First of all, the various well-known remedy, very well-known remedy for hepatic manifestation, that is chelidonium. Right-sided remedy, right lobe of liver affected with hepatic symptom, lung symptom present, then chelidonium must be remembered. And main complaint is stitching pain around the inferior angle of right scapula, long continued pain, and patient cannot able to walk, horror of motion, despondent, hopeless about recovery, feel insanity about suffering, completely hopeless remedy. Hot food, milk, like lying on abdomen, and one of most nearest remedy to the direction of pain, that is Calicut, Nux vomica, sepia. They are also stitching pain around the right scapula, but pain extend to shoulder and occiput. If pain extend to shoulder or occiput from the scapular region, then we must remember Calicut, Nux vomica, sepia. If pain in present inferior angle of right scapula, then we must remember chelidonium. And one most remedy like chelidonium with same type of pain, but pain near to spine, that is chenopodium, Chenopodium anthelminticum, chenopodium. Same symptom, just like chelidonium. One most important thing, important information that said by Dr. Phatak, that is, it is closely allied to Lycopodium. When Lycopodium seems indicated but fails to act, chelidonium should be given. Next important remedy about liver problem, Cyananthus. Cyananthus, it is a remedy for hepatic trouble, but there is present too much migraine head symptom, various type of sick headache, menstrual headache, bilious headache. Then we must remember Cyananthus. Severe bilious headache, periodical headache. One most important information that about the Cyananthus, after arrest of menses, after suppression of menses, if jaundice occurs, then Cyananthus must be given. Cyananthus also prescribed in combined pathology. This hepatic manifestation with spleen manifestation, hepatic manifestation with pancreatic manifestation, hepatic manifestation with pancreatic manifestation, then Cyananthus. Combination pathology is very much important for the prescription in homeopathy. Large number of medicine present where is combination pathology present. In liver action, some medicine is that is liver affection with lung affection. Today we share chelidonium. Another medicine share last video, that is Cardus marinus. Liver affection with spleen affection, cyanothus. Liver affection with pancreatic affection, cyananthus. Liver affection with spleen affection, another remedy, Linaria. Liver affection with spleen affection, another remedy, Linaria. The most important symptom, important presentation from patient, that is great drowsiness, irresistible sleepiness. Great drowsiness, irresistible sleepiness. Another important remedy, Laertes spicata. When dropsy due to liver disease, then we remember another remedy, that is Laertes spicata. Too much remedy today we share. Thank you. We again meet with another video. If my knowledge to some short, but if you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, Dr. S.K. Chatterjee named, and share, comment, and please like my video. This give me very much interest to make more video. We learn together, we go together. Thank you very much. We meet again. Thank you.